Hello and welcome to the world of Mercedes-Maybach, a brand synonymous with luxury, elegance, and refinement. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the pinnacle of automotive excellence. Exterior. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a true masterpiece of design. Its long, flowing lines and imposing grille exude an aura of sophistication that's impossible to ignore. The car's proportions are perfect, with a wide stance and low roofline that give it a sporty, yet refined, look. Interior. The interior of the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is a sanctuary of luxury. The finest materials, from Napa leather to wood accents, are used throughout the cabin. The seats are incredibly comfortable and offer ample support, even on long journeys. And the technology is second to none, with a state-of-the-art infotainment system and a host of other features that make every drive a truly special experience. Performance. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is not just a car for looking good, it's also a car for going fast. Car's powerful engine delivers effortless acceleration, while its sophisticated suspension provides a smooth and comfortable ride. And with its all-wheel drive system, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is always in control, even in the most challenging conditions. Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is the ultimate expression of luxury automotive engineering. It's a car that's designed to impress, and it succeeds on every level. If you're looking for the best that money can buy, then the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is the only choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video of mine. See you in another video. Till then, take care.